Thanks so much for being with us here today. Could you tell us who you are and what you do, please?
I'm Ajay. I'm from Leeds. I am an IT consultant.
Could you share your historical experience with investing?
So I go back about 20 years of trading experience. Obviously, I did come across Alpesh long back when he used to write for Financial Times. He used to have his column there. I still remember. And I used to follow and read a lot about what Alpesh used to write. And since then, obviously, it's a different story, what the knowledge I've learned and gained from his.
And what are your thoughts on the Great Investments Program?
So I think it's one of the best things I believe I have enrolled into.
And what are your results so far with the program?
I'm doing good in terms of the investments. Obviously, I'm not a daily trader, but then the long-term investments, the planning I've done based on the learning I've done is I have gained a decent amount of profits in the last few years, which has, helped me divert into kind of other sectors of investments as well. So I would say, the learning was good and I'm doing good with the program. If you want to be an informed investor or an educated investor who wants to take right decisions, then you should take the course.